Hey guys, what's going on? It's a Block Bull right back now, bringing you the latest episode to the channel. Now today we're going to show you exactly when the top of this next move is going in. For those of you that are subscribed, if you're not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe because I'm going to show you guys what I expect in terms of our return on investment now, and I can keep you up to date with this particular trade. But first and foremost, we have the technical analysis over on TradingView for Xcn Onyx coin. Now, for those of you that are always showing your RSIs, MACDs, other sort of types of oscillators, why not just come over to TradingView? You can see exactly what is happening. So the oscillators have us at a neutral. So we're either strong sell, sell buy, or strong buy. Okay, slap bang in the middle. Moving average is the same, whether it be the 7-day, the 10-day, the 20-day, the 50-day, the 100-day, or the institutional 200-day moving average. We are looking neutral, and this is a summary. We are pretty much neutral. Okay, now this is what I'm going to show you guys now over in the charts, is when to expect the top of this next move. And we're also going to discuss the target for this particular technique that I've applied to the previous bull pennant. Okay, this will all make sense shortly. So first and foremost, I want to assess the algorithm and the price behavior of Xcn, because for me it's probably the most volatile cryptocurrency in the top 100 in literally within the landscape. Yeah, it's absolutely mega. Yeah, it's got the worst pain. It's max pain, trust me. We've been down like 55-60% in this particular move. Yeah, max pain. And with the most pain also becomes the greatest returns in the investment. Yeah, no pain, no gain is what they say. Anyway, we're going to focus on this first bull pennant, and this is going to basically teach you the technique, which is what I'm applying now to actually target this next sort of move. Okay, so this is basically 70 bars. We're on the 2-hour chart here. So 70 bars, that's obviously 2 hours each, and that equates to 5 days and 20 hours. So that is the inception of the start of this bull pennant all the way up to the tip of this apex. Yeah, 70 bars. Now, what you want to know is, as an Onyx coin XCN investor, is how long it takes to go from the tip of that apex up until the top of this move. Yeah, if you knew that, you'd know when to take profits. You're taking profits at an optimum time, and we all want to take profits and realize gains at the best point possible. And I use this sort of technique in the XRP plans and the XDC plans. Link below is in the description. That's theblockbulls.com. Yeah, if you used to purchase both of those two together, you do get a 10% discount. Okay, as a sort of bundle. Now, what I want to know is, we'll get back to this, is when the top of this is. So this is the apex. This is a breakout. This is the high up here. Yeah, the high is up here. And look how many days, get on that green candle. Look how many bars, should I say, that's taken. 35 bars, which equates to 2 days and 22 hours. Why is this important? The breakout up until this new sort of high that we've had recently has taken half the amount. Yeah, we've got 70 bars down here. We've got 35. So it's taken half as much time to actually print the new high as it has done to form this sort of symmetrical bull pennant here. Now, we want to do the exact same technique, but apply it to this bigger bull pennant here. Yeah, this big ass bull pennant, which is what's been playing out over the past 2-3 weeks. Now, what I would like to measure from is this here. This, for me, this point here is when Onyx began printing the bull pennant at this point here. And we are looking to print to the end of this apex. There's so many ways to slice and dice it, so we don't know when Xcn is going to break out. When Xcn breaks out, we will have an accurate reading, and I can keep you guys up to date when that happens. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so I can keep you involved in this trade. Yeah, we could break out today. We could break out tomorrow, or we could break out at the end of this sort of apex, which is accounting for all the wicks now. In my previous videos, I've not been taking into account the wicks just because they're not as reliable as sort of closes, if that makes sense. So anyhow, we are using the same sort of technique. So this is a full sort of move. Now, all I need to know is, before we get to the next high, we're just measuring half of this sort of time period here. So it's very easy to do because this is all marked out. You can see that sort of vertical line coming in the middle. So that's halfway. And then we measure that to the end. Yeah, they're overlapping now. So this is the end. Then all we're doing then is plotting this will basically go slap bang on the point in which Xcn breaks out, yeah? So it could break out here, or it could break out here. But ultimately, I'm just going to use the extreme sort of example, which would be literally the tip of that apex, and that will be this Sunday, the 16th of February, okay? And that would bring us out to this point here, yeah? That would bring us out on Thursday, the 27th of February. So Thursday, the 27th of February is likely going to be the top of this next move once we do break out of this bull pennant. Like I said, guys, we've got a 10% increase on probability of succession. Yes, 65 to 75% breakout on a single pennant. We're now printing a bull pennant on top of a bull pennant, which increases our likelihood of success. We're now looking at 75 to 85% statistical probability we are going to succeed. And I wouldn't be betting the house if I didn't feel as if this Xcn token was going to blow every other cryptocurrency in the top 100 out of the water in the next 2 weeks, okay? I'm not saying it's going to be the highest gainer of the full cycle. Over the next 2 weeks, Onyx coin is going to gain the most. Mark my words, guys. Max pain, max gain is the aim of the game, and this is why I'm absolutely hooked on Onyx. I've never seen anything like it. I was married to XRP for 4 or 5 years, for goodness sake. I've never seen a coin move like it. It's so volatile. So not only do we know when the top is likely to go in on the 27th of Feb, what we're going to do is use this technique now. So what I like to do is a measured move. So when this bull pennant started forming, this is all the structure inside the bull pennant, yeah? Pretty obvious. What I want to see is the sort of lowest close inside of that bull pennant after this high, okay? So the lowest point of the close is this section here. Now, all I do is measure up and I plant the 50% line on top of the highest close, which is there, yeah? So this is what you've got. This is like a full measured move now. Then all we do then is plant this bottom line here, this box. We're planting that on top of the highest close. Yeah, so that'd go on there. Yeah, I'm not accounting for wicks on this particular move. So this brings us out here. I'm just going to mark it out now with a horizontal line. So there you go. This is the high of that forecasted move. So we could have done this move last time out and actually preempted, and we could have been taking profits around the high. We're never going to capture the exact high, but what we want to be doing is taking profits 80 to 90% of that move. In my view, you are an absolute legend, and you will obviously gained, God status pretty much if you are capturing near enough the top of that move. So that sort of measured move basically gives you the top. Now what I want to do is apply this technique which I've just used on this bull pennant. I'm going to use it on this bull pennant, and then we'll see what sort of targets that produces. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll just clear that TA up. So again, guys, what we're going to do is the lowest close here has actually just gone in yesterday. So that's good news for us. So we almost have to take a step back to take 2 steps forward, guys. Okay. And that low came in yesterday. So the lowest close in the whole of this bull pennant is right here. Yeah, Wednesday. And then all we're doing then is bringing it up. I can't even get it on the screen. It's going that high. You can see what I'm trying to do. It keeps hovering on that buy signal. Get away. This is the thing. Xcn is an absolute beast. So there we go. We plotted that 50% on top of the highest sort of close. Yeah, so this is the box we're playing with. Now, exactly what we did down there is we're actually plotting the bottom of this blue box on top of these closes here, the highest close. So I would say somewhere around there. And I've already got it pre-marked out for you guys. So we're looking at around 26, 27 cents for the height of this next move, which would exceed the all-time high for Onyx coin. The all-time high is roughly around 18 cents. Okay, I could just duplicate this line here. So the all-time high is around 18 cents. So there's a likelihood we are going to breach all-time high 26, 27. Some people will think you're crazy. Some people will think you're daydreaming. Some people will think, well, how much must the market cap be in order to achieve those numbers? I don't care, mate. I'm literally reading out the charts and giving you a perception of how I'm viewing these sort of historical moves, and trying to understand the algorithms and the price behavior of what the market makers are printing on front of my screens here. So I would not rule it out, guys. Yeah, the longer the base, the higher in space, guys. Yeah, so we can delete that. We can delete that. We can delete that. And we've also got the 27th of Feb in as well, because we've also done the time analysis, which again, guys, is all in these XDC XRP plans. Again, updates are coming. Whether you've purchased or you're about to purchase, you will receive a new updated copy very, very shortly, guys. Not to mention Supedia as well. Supedia.io are doing tremendous things. That's only $14 a month, and that's got loads of articles, almost 400 products in the library now for $14 a month. You guys can check it out. All the links are down below in the description. But ultimately, by the 27th of February, we could be, I would not be surprised if Xcn Onyx coin is trading at around 26, 27 cents, guys. And before I leave you guys, it's important, I'll do the measurement now. I will do the measurement from current price action, yeah? This is going to be absolutely mega. So from current price action, here we are, we're trading here. Yeah, we measure all the way up there. That is just silly money. Silly money. This is why we're involved in Onyx coin, because he's going to do pretty much a 12x. So you got 1,154%, guys. That is absolutely mega. So let's just take a sum, see what we're coming out with. That's what I've been using. So say, for example, you got $10,000. You think, you know what, Xcen's worth a punt. I'm going to invest $10,000 into Xcn. Yeah, we'll just do the math. So plus 1154%. That's how much money you're making at a $10,000 investment. Plus your initial, you're coming out with $125,400 if we do get up to these sort of neck of the woods. Yeah. Again, guys, I'm playing conservative. I'll take my initial money at around 8, 9, 10 cents, and then I'll play with the house money, and then I'll probably run it up to, like, I'll stagger out. Yeah, I'll take money at 15, 16 cents. I'll take some out at 20 cents, and I'll take the remaining at 26, 27. I'll be completely out at that point if we get that high, guys. Anyway, this video is simply for educational and entertainment purposes only. In no way, shape, or form is this financial advice, guys. Anyway, I've been the Block Bull. Make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Do what you got to do. I've been the Block Bull. Until next time, the Block Bull is over and out.